Welcome guys, today we're going to do Minecraft, but eating gives OP items. So, if I eat like fish or bread or anything, I will get one OP item. So, let's get right into this. This is going to be a very easy challenge and I'm doing this on my own, so because it's very easy. You get very OP items from one piece of food. It's going to be so easy. Well, I think it's going to be easy. Probably is going to be. No, don't want that. I'm going to get stone tools, then I'm going to go... I think there's going to be food in that shipwreck. Maybe. Okay, let's go. And I might as well make shovel, because why not? Actually still need this crafting table. 4 doors, so I can breathe underwater. Please be good stuff. Shipwreck, give me some good stuff, please. Oh, iron and lapis. Light. That's very nice. Nice. Already got iron. I think I'll go that way. Just want to get hungry so I can show you guys. Okay, there you go, guys. Look, and I've got 4 gold. That's some good stuff. So it's any food type. Like the worse the food is, the worse the food is, the better it is, because then you can eat more of it. Like something like beetroot that gives you half a hunger bar. That's very good. Okay, this is one very good crossbow. Potion of strength. This is so good. Well, I got iron armor from that. That's nice. And 4 golden apples. This is so epic. Fishies. Oops. There you go. And I've got... Whoa, that's some OP stuff. Oh my goodness. That's so good. Wait, I can eat golden apples. I don't even know what I got. Oh, I think I've got that. Got iron. And I need a helmet. Yes, this is getting OP very fast. You've got to be kidding me. An elytra. Already. Oh dude, this is epic. And it's got protection 10. Four iron blocks, you gotta be kidding me. This is so epic. It's too easy. Oh dude. And I didn't even need to make a shovel. I've got the best shovel in the world. And get more OP stuff. What I get that time. Whoa. This is so good. Oh my. Some of these stuff are too good. You've got to be kidding me. Yo. Dude, this is so good. Wait, this? Yes, this access shop 10. Oh my. Okay, well, I got another right one. What did I get? Can't even see. Oh, more emeralds. It's not too bad, but I'm not gonna do villager trading a lot. This is, yo, dude. This is too good. Wrong one. No. Well, I can go to the nether already. Wait, does this thing have sharp 10? What does a pickaxe have that? That doesn't even make sense. I don't think I can get blaze rods from this, so I have to go to the nether. No, you little... Made me misplace it. This is very irritating. I'm just gonna kill it. Okay, I actually need proper food. Holy! Dude. This is getting better and better. And I'm getting food. Not very good food, but it's food. And I've got a golden apple. This is so epic. Can I get fireworks? Because otherwise this elytra is my elytra is very, well, useless. I eat, but I don't see what I'm getting. Oh no! Well, that barely did damage. Okay, let's go build this nether portal. Just to think, I've got all this from just eating. Okay, let's go. Okay, please be a good nether spawn. Please, 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 please. Please be a good nether spawn. Please. Well, I wouldn't say it's too bad. Oh my goodness. Oh wait, what? Oh, there's a fortress. Hey. I got another elytra. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Well, there's a blaze. Blaze rod. And I thought I found a spawner. Only found a blaze. Oh, this is perfect. Well, that's perfect. Exactly what I wanted. Well, it doesn't have protection or anything, but it's a diamond helmet. Can I just find a blaze spawner? Finally found a blaze spawner. Oh my. Well, I found another OP pickaxe. Just spawn some blaze. Okay, 6 blaze rods. I'm not gonna be that risky, so I'm gonna take more. I'm gonna take 7 blaze rods or 8, probably 8. This will probably be enough, or not. Yes, not enough. This thing's taking forever to spawn. Thank you. Just drop a blaze rod. Thank you. One more, one more. Yes, I've got some more gold. Okay, that's enough. Now I just have to get some piglins for trading. Oh yes, you can burn netherite. Totally forgot that. Wait, yes, I got obsidian. Oh, I got the best food source. Well, I hate golden carrots and got more golden carrots in return. Just want a starter, for Pete's sake. No, come, don't go away. Oh, these striders are irritating. Oh my goodness. Just come to me. Thank you. Yay, starter time. That's one big thing. I have to go look for a bastion. You've got to be kidding me. And there you go. My diamond leggings. Full diamond. That's full diamond. Full diamond. Not full diamond. Wait, I forgot to do something. Just break. I'm breaking it so fast. The game's breaking. I want to do this for so long, but I forgot the whole time. Let's go. Last one. Cover me in debris. Let's go. Let's get a netherite sword. Well, I've got netherite pants now. I'm full enchanted. The game is taunting me. What are you at cost? As far I have 8 hours render. don't know why I did it, but I decided to get all my obsidian from trading instead of finding my portal. That was a dumb idea because I just couldn't find my portal, so... Please be somewhere near the stronghold. It's not bad coordinates. Can work with that. That way. Okay, let's go. So it's probably in this chunk. It's probably in this one. Okay, I'm gonna be honest. This is the first time survival Java edition that I'm gonna beat the Ender Dragon. So yes. But before we get on with that, to get some blocks first. I have enough food, I have enough, I have TNT if I need that, I have almost a stack arrows, a boat if I ever need it, enough blocks, strength potion. Okay, I think that'll be enough. Okay, let's just see what last lucky drop can we get before we go to the end. Wait, what? What was that even? I don't know. But let's jump right into it. Okay, let's go. Did I get that one? I don't know. This dragon is just irritating. Okay, that was not ideal. Okay, that's another one. That's why. I had hostile creatures sound off. Wait, what? When did I get this? Didn't even know about it. That's so weird. Didn't even know about it. Because I just had an Elijah and it was kind of useless. And this is the last crystal. So we can start killing this guy. I wonder, can I swoop in and hit him? I did something. He's just flying through obsidian. That's so weird. He normally does it, but still. When it hits me, it gets hurt. Because I have thorns 10 on everything here. Can it just come down? I'm shooting every shot. I have a lot of arrows left. I have nothing to worry. It's literally killing itself. Oh well, it's gone. Good game, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember guys, press that like and subscribe button down below.